Welcome to Flash English, your English channel where you learn fast and easy. Today, you'll learn 40 wild animals in English. Stay until the end and test your memory. Share this video with a friend, like if you enjoy learning English, and subscribe for more. Let's start. Lion.
Lion is a large wild cat known as the king of the jungle.
Lion.
Lion. Lion.
Tiger.
Tiger is a large striped wild cat.
Tiger.
Tiger. Tiger.
Elephant.
Elephant is the largest land animal.
Elephant.
Elephant. Elephant.
Giraffe.
Giraffe is a tall animal with a very long neck.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Giraffe.
Zebra.
Zebra is a black and white striped animal.
Zebra.
Zebra. Zebra.
Monkey.
Monkey is a clever animal that lives in trees.
Monkey.
Monkey. Monkey.
Gorilla.
Gorilla is the largest primate in the world.
Gorilla.
Gorilla. Gorilla.
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee is an intelligent ape.
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee.
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros is a large animal with one or two horns.
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus is a huge animal that spends time in water.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus.
Cheetah.
Cheetah is the fastest land animal.
Cheetah.
Cheetah. Cheetah.
Leopard.
Leopard is a spotted wildcat.
Leopard.
Leopard. Leopard.
Jaguar.
Jaguar is a powerful spotted cat from the Americas.
Jaguar.
Jaguar. Jaguar.
Wolf.
Wolf is a wild animal related to dogs.
Wolf.
Wolf. Wolf.
Fox.
Fox is a small wild animal with a bushy tail.
Fox.
Fox. Fox.
Bear.
Bear is a large mammal with thick fur.
Bear.
Bear. Bear.
Panda.
Panda is a black and white bear from China.
Panda.
Panda. Panda.
Koala.
Koala is an Australian animal that eats eucalyptus leaves.
Koala.
Koala. Koala.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo is an Australian animal that jumps.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Deer.
Deer is a graceful animal with antlers.
Deer.
Deer. Deer.
Moose.
Moose is the largest member of the deer family.
Moose.
Moose. Moose.
Bison.
Bison is a large, hairy animal of North America.
Bison.
Bison. Bison.
Buffalo.
Buffalo is a large, wild bovine animal.
Buffalo.
Buffalo. Buffalo.
Camel.
Camel is a desert animal with humps.
Camel.
Camel. Camel.
Hyena.
Hyena is a scavenger known for its laugh-like sound.
Hyena.
Hyena. Hyena.
Crocodile.
Crocodile is a large reptile with powerful jaws.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Alligator.
Alligator is a reptile similar to a crocodile.
Alligator.
Alligator. Alligator.
Snake.
Snake is a legless reptile.
Snake.
Snake. Snake.
Cobra.
Cobra is a venomous snake with a hood.
Cobra.
Cobra. Cobra.
Eagle.
Eagle is a large bird of prey.
Eagle.
Eagle. Eagle.
Hawk.
Hawk is a fast hunting bird.
Hawk.
Hawk. Hawk.
Owl.
Owl is a bird known for hunting at night.
Owl.
Owl. Owl.
Flamingo.
Flamingo is a pink bird with long legs.
Flamingo.
Flamingo. Flamingo.
Ostrich.
Ostrich is the largest bird in the world.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Ostrich.
Penguin.
Penguin is a bird that cannot fly but swims well.
Penguin.
Penguin. Penguin.
Dolphin.
Dolphin is an intelligent marine mammal.
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Dolphin.
Whale.
Whale is the largest animal on Earth.
Whale.
Whale. Whale.
Shark.
Shark is a powerful fish with sharp teeth.
Shark.
Shark. Shark.
Octopus.
Octopus is a sea animal with 8 arms.
Octopus.
Octopus. Octopus.
Seal.
Seal is a marine mammal that lives near coasts.
Seal.
Seal. Seal.
Thanks for watching. Like this video, hit the hype button, subscribe for more. See you in the next video.